All right, guys. So this is a recap of my year on YouTube when I actually took it seriously. So within the last year, I've gotten around 205,000 views. I've grown by 700 subscribers, and I made $289 based off of the views that I got in the sector. So a lot of people may say, "Well, that's not a lot of money, 200 and some dollars. Like that ain't nothing." To me, it's an accomplishment because number one, I'm not an entertainer, I'm not a rapper. I talk about a lot of different things on my YouTube, and I don't focus 100% on one thing, and I just have fun. And I don't. It's more of like a hobby, more so than anything. It just keeps me sharp. Yeah, I don't rap, sing. I don't talk about gossip stuff. I pretty much just talk about whatever I want. Music industry stuff, some crypto stuff. I'm gonna be doing some videos on here soon. I'm gonna get me a microphone, and yeah, let's see what 2024 can do in terms of views. It's really just a hobby for me at the moment. But yeah, like 289 views or $289, excuse me, over the year of actually attempting to be consistent on YouTube. I'm not even full time. I'm not trying to go viral. I do that as a service for my clients. But yeah, it's just a cool experiment to see what's going on. 700 subscribers is pretty good. I've been experimenting with shorts, posting like different shorts. That's helped with the views. And also another thing, a lot of these views are from shorts. So shorts don't really pay you a lot of money. So that's another thing. Shorts I've seen bring in subscribers because they push shorts to as many people as possible. They don't really push videos as much. They're competing with TikTok and they're competing with Instagram off of Reels. So they're pushing shorts. And this one right here with this 50 Cent thing, it got, 430,000 views, and it got me like 1,000 subscribers, and I made $1.88, from that because it's a short. Shorts don't pay you no money; they just give you subscribers. So that's pretty cool. The video is a minute, but the average view duration is a minute and two. So people were watching this like crazy. So it literally like just spiked up, like ridiculous. It caught on and it just, and it's still been going up by hundreds. It stopped. It pretty much flatlined. But when the algorithm picks up a particular video, like this Berkeley one here, this Berkeley one, I got like 5,000 views. This is like my best video so far. Any artist or hardhead, that was pretty cool. But yeah, this is my best video so far. Is Berkeley College of Music worth it in 2023? I'm gonna change that title to 2024. But yeah, man, I made we got about what is that? Probably 26 more days, 27 more days. Maybe we can get $300. You know what I'm saying, for the year. But this is a cool experiment. Like I said, I post a lot of shorts. I don't post videos to go viral or to make money. I'm just experimenting with YouTube right now, just to see how it works, because I'm using this to help my clients make money from their YouTube and things like that. Yeah, so that's what it is, guys. Appreciate you all for listening. Peace and watching. Peace.